In front of me I've got Allview X4 Soul Style, and let me show you how to activate battery percentage and status bar on the following device. So just take a look right here. You have just the icon, so you don't know what exactly your battery level is. If you'd like to change it, if you'd like to have the exact percentage in your status bar, just open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick more settings, and now locate and open manage battery. And here under styles of battery percent and status bar, you'll find all the possible options. So you can be either outside, as you can see here, you've got the percentage, or inside the battery. And now you've got the small numbers inside the battery icon. It's up to you. I would rather the second option, the middle one. So I would like to apply a huge icon right next to the battery icon. And that's it. This is how you can apply battery percentage and status bar. And I will leave it this way because it's a super useful feature. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.